Hi, welcome to Next Level Skateboard Shop. My name is Jason Mason and we are on James Street in Antigonish and we are about to do an unboxing video. So let's get to it. We're going to start with this one, toy machine. You know, unboxing these is always kind of a surprise for me too because I kind of forget what I've ordered. So we ran out of brown paper, so we got more brown paper. Andale Blues. This is an ABEC 5 bearing. Oh, cool. Andale Blues. We've got a lot of bearings. There's 20 sets of bearings there. Jen Bennett got some Rush ceramics. Thanks to her husband, Mike, who got her Rush ceramic bearings in her wheels. And man, they sounded cool. They rode really cool. So I got more ceramic bearings. They are nice. So they're high end. It is a treat, but they're really nice ceramic bearings. Then we got some Swiss bearings. They have spacers and wheel nuts and extra shields. Andale Swiss prorated bearings. These are nice. They come in little tin cans. Those are nice. Pivot cups for trucks. You'd be surprised how many people are losing the pivot cups out of their trucks. I didn't even know that was a thing. Happens more than you think. So we got pivot cups. And not all pivot cups are the same or the same size because I've got other pivot cups and they don't fit all the trucks. But now I do. So now I have a variety of pivot cups. And more wheels. When you say wheels, you don't have to pronounce the H. 52, 52, and 53, because we just built a bunch of complete boards, Ross Martin. And so we put some new wheels on those. So we're just replacing those wheels with these wheels. All right, more brown paper. Wow, nice. Foundation. Complete. Ready to rock and or roll. Foundation Super Co. 8.13. That is a nice board. Foundation wheels, foundation bearings. Ruckus trucks. Damn, that is a nice setup. That is a nice board. Smooth. 8.13. Foundation complete. Let's put that there. Ooh. 8.25 complete. This one is from DGK. Dirty Ghetto Kids, 8.25, complete, ready to rock and or roll. Oh, that is a nice board, holy. DGK complete. Like that, and as a matter of fact, 8.25. It's a nice board. The completes have been doing good. People have been liking them. Ruckus Trucks, 8.25, toy machine. Wow, that is another nice board. Toy machine, 8.25. Damn, that is a nice setup too. Holy smokers. Okay. Oh, there's another set of Rush ceramic bearings. I'm going to put those on my board. And we got two toy machine completes. This one is also 8.25, and that is a sticker. Toy machine, toy machine, That landed on my foot. Ah, son of a biscuit. DGK and the Foundation Super Co. Okay, That was a really good unboxing for box number 1. Let's go to box number 2. I'm going to clean all this up, and it's going to be in fast forward. Ow. Oh, this is some cool stuff here. Okay. Tensor Maglite Day One Songs Pro Model Truck. Maglites, this is 5.25. So I think this would fit. Oh, that's for an 8-inch board too. Damn. I might be riding those. Those are nice. Maglite, Tensor Maglites. They're lighter trucks. Another Tensor Maglite, 5.75. So this is for the wider boards. This would fit. Oh, this is for like the 9. This fits up to like a 9-inch board. Maglite. God dang, that's light. Tensor Maglite trucks. What do we got here? You know what? I was wondering about these. That is actual red velvet on the trucks. Like, it's fuzzy. It's soft. That's a Day One Song Maglite with actual red velvet on the truck. I thought it was just the color of paint that they used. It's actual velvet, like it's fuzzy. You're gonna grind that? I've never seen that before. Oh my God, that's weird. Okay. We've had a couple sets of these Maglites and they all went pretty quick because people really like the Maglites. Okay, what's going on here now? Oh, okay. Whoa. Another Maglite. This is 5.5, so this would fit the 825 boards. That is nice. Hollow kingpin, hollow axle, hollow trucks, and they're magnesium, so they're super light. Ordered, yeah, more Maglites. And these are just straight up tensor alloys, so these are just your pretty standard tensors, but the all blacks were really popular. Every set we've had we've sold out. People like the tensor and they like the all black stealth mode. So those have done really well too. This is kind of cool. Another pro bearing. This comes with extra wheel nuts, spacers, extra shields, bearings, and this really cool tin case that you can reuse after for like a sewing kit, I guess, you know, or anything really. Carlos Ribeiro bearings. That's really nice. Dollar bill, y'all. These are DGK precision bearings with the $100 bills. The Benjamins. DGK bearings. In case you wanted to DGK out. These have also done really well. The Powell Dragons stickers. Powell Dragon stickers. This is just good to have, you know. They're just Black Label Lucero stickers. It's a classic graphic skateboarder. This is, I mean, it looks like it's an elephant holding a flower in its trunk, but to a skateboarder, that means skateboarding, which that's part of our culture. Okay. Oh, cool. Darkstar. Most power. I like Darkstar. This is an 825 board. Big sticker. Ryan DeCenzo. I think he used to skate for these guys. I think he's on a different brand now, though. Hard Rock Canadian Maple. That is nice. Darkstar board, 825. Stoked on that. Brown paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sheets of red grip tape by Jessup Grip. Those are nice. All our other red jessups have sold out. And that's box number 2. I keep doing this because that would mean 4, but it's 2. Okay, Jessup, Darkstar, Black Label, Powell stickers, Dirty Ghetto Kids, Andale, Tensor. We're going to clean this out, go on to the next box. Brown paper. Oh yeah, some Form 53 mils. These wheels are doing really well. Everyone loves them. They ride really well. The 53s sold out, so I got some more 53s in. Good, simple white wheel. We have another Foundation Superco. How big is this one? 8.13 again. That is a nice foundation board. Oh, wow, okay. Toy machine, Ed Templeton. 8.5. Comes with a sticker. This is a bigger board. 8.5. Toy machine, Ed Templeton. It's a nice board. Weird graphic. Nice board. Okay. I'm going to put this right there. All right, we're coming through with the old DGK today because we got DGK grip tape. Smiley, trippy, and it's got a cool back graphic. So after you're done gripping your board, you can hang that on your wall. Makes for a nice poster, so extra value. You can rep DGK on your walls. And we got some more. Let me see this. What is this? Is it white or is it clear? What? Okay, we got some white grip tape from Jessup. Oh, 2 sheets of white. Okay, these will go fast. 2 sheets of white grip. Three sheets of hot pink. This is an 80s throwback. I had hot pink grip on my board when I was a kid. I thought it was so cool. So we got pink grip, white grip, DGK, Smiley grip, Ed Templeton board, Foundation Superco complete, some Form wheels. This is going great. Let's go to the next box. What is in this one? Cool. Okay. Ooh, that is a big back patch. The Ripper. That's a patch. That is a nice Ripper patch. Holy smokers. That is super cool. Bones Ripper patch. Oh, Ripper, the Skull and Wings patch. It's another one. Go on your back. Put it on a big hood of your chest. That's nice. Skateboard Police. Another code 97A. Weak ollies. This is how you can prove your authority with a Skateboard Police badge. Okay. Okay, we got some Diego Lemos mixtape bearings. The side A. Mixtapes, mixtapes, mixtape, mixtape. Cool. And we've got Tego Lemos Volume 2 mixtape bearings. So we have Volume 1 and 2. Cool. Holy smokers, there's a lot. Ooh. Bones Ripper on clear on a transparent background. So that'll look really cool. Wall or fridge or ramp. Big old sticker. Okay, we got another complete from Element. Ooh, that's cool. Wow. Element complete with tensor trucks. Element wheels, element bearings. Damn, the old tensors on there too, huh? This is an 825. Damn, that's a nice board. Wait, is it an 825? It's bigger. Let's measure it up. Oh, 8.3. Ooh, that's a big board. 8.3. I think it's a little bigger than that even. I'll have to measure it again. Okay. Ooh, cool. Another Element complete. Element wheels, element bearings, tensor trucks. Yako Yokin. That's this guy. So we got his board and his complete. Damn, that is a nice setup. This board is... That's an 825. Woo. Nice boards. Holy. Okay. Another complete. The completes have been doing great. People have been asking for them. Toy Machine, 825 with the Ruckus trucks. That is a nice board. Little cardboard. Toy Machine. Wow. Coming correct for you guys. Whoa, dang, another Toy Machine. Another Toy Machine. 825 again. Whoa, that is nice. Wow, this is going great. Okay, we got one more box. Let's put this stuff over there and check out that stuff. Wow. These are fairly unique to the Next Level shop, actually. I've never seen these at any other skate shop before. Ankle brace. So if you have any issues with your ankles, hurting yourself, there are a lot of ankle straps in the market, ankle braces. This is the best one, and it's because of these cross straps here. So it's got a full plastic exoskeleton, neoprene padded, laces, neoprene tongue. And so when you put it on, these cross straps, and it goes up your foot like this, this acts similar to what your ligaments do. And so it really helps to reinforce and take a lot of the pressure off your body and transfer it to these here Cordura straps. So these ankle braces, this is why I'm still able to skateboard after all these years, is because I wear one on each foot and I will not skate without them because they work. I can't recommend these enough. So I'm due, so these two are mine. Okay. And the rest are for you guys. So ankle braces, they work. They keep me skating because they work. Okay. That was a very successful unboxing. A lot of new completes. I kind of forgot I ordered that many completes, and a lot of new bearings, because last time I ordered bearings, I thought I was good until December, and I sold out of bearings like last week. So 49, almost 50 sets of bearings. So we got a lot of ball bearings now. We got wheels, those Maglite trucks. This has been a successful unboxing. This is Next Level Skateboard Shop on James Street in Antigonish. Tell your friends, come on by, pick up a new back to school complete or some new bearings or whatever you may need. Thanks for watching.